Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, my lovely students. Today, inshallah, I will teach you Super Goal 4 for the second intermediate grade in the second semester. So, I want all of you to open your book on page 24. Today, inshallah, we will take a writing. Before we do this exercise, let's first of all take a writing corner. Look what do we have here in the writing corner. Use the passive to emphasize the action and not who or what does it. So we will just focus on the action, just the action, not who or what does it, okay? Look what do we have here. To make passive, use the verb be and the past participle. So you have to use verb to be. So like we have a past, or let's say present, and we have a past. So we have a past was and were. We have in a present is, are, and am. Okay, then plus the past participle on page, as you can see here on page 83. Okay, on page 83. Very good. Then look what do we have here. Look what do we have here. Simple present. Diamonds are made. So we have here, as you can see, the verb to be, then the past participle of the verb make. So the past form is make. Diamonds are made entirely of carbon. Simple past, as you can see here, the colonial diamond was found in Africa. Then look what do we have here. Use by. Also here, look what do we have here. Was, then the past participle. Use by to show the agents. So what does agents mean? It means the person, okay? The people, the person who makes this thing, okay? Who makes this action. Diamonds are pushed to surface by. So who is the agent? So we will say by volcanic activity. By volcanic activity. So we use here by. The pencil was invented by. Look here. Who invented the pencil? So an Italian couple named Pernicato or Pernicotti. Yes. Okay, so we use by to show the agent. Okay, to show the agent. Very good. Then look what do we have here. Look what do we have here, as you can see. Okay, read the information in the writing corner. So we read them with your teacher. Write the correct passive form, present or past. So we have here some verb. So we will read the passage and we will write it, okay? Let's read. This is a diamond, like jewelry, okay? Diamonds are the hardest natural substance on the earth. So we have a make, so it will be made. They are made entirely of carbon. Graphite, which is, so we use is, then the past participle of use, it will be used. To make pencils in another material that is, so make, the past participle of the verb makes will be made. Is made of carbon, but it is one of the softest substances. The difference is the molecular structure that is formed. So we add ed, which is a past participle of the verb form, by the bonds between the carbon atoms. Diamonds, as you can see, are formed under high temperature and pressure deep within Earth's crust. The process can take from 1 to 3 billion years. Then the diamond, so we have here push, so it will be are pushed. We add ed, gradually to surface by volcanic activity. The colonia is the world's largest diamond. It was found. So the find, the past participle of the word or of the verb find. So it will be found. Was found in South Africa in 1905. Its weight, let's could we have here 3,106.75 carats, and it was cut into 5 large gestones. The largest of cut diamonds is called the Great Star of Africa, and with 530.2 carats. The laser star of Africa is these diamonds belong to British Crown, and they are part of the world's biggest collections of jewels. Today there is a man-made substance that is even harder than diamond, the nano diamond or diamond nanode. The nano diamond is produced, so we add ed here. Pi, look, we have used pi. We use pi because we want to talk about agent. Compressions of graphite. It is hardest substance known to man. Then look, what do we have here? Let's now move to the second page. We have here, as you can see, so that, such that. We use so and such make the meaning of adjective of adverb stronger. So if you want to make stronger the adjective of the adverb, you will say so or such. So that and such that are used to show causes and effects. So if you say so that or such as, so you want to say the causes or the effect, okay? Look, what do we have here? So plus adjective or adverb, then that. He is so fast that he won the race. So you make it stronger. You make the adjective stronger. He ran so quickly that he won the race. So you make the adverb stronger. So many with the plural count noun, than that. So we use so many with something you can count. So we have a box. So you can count box. 1 book, 2 books, 3 books, 4 books, and so on. So because you can count the books, so we will use many. He has so many books that he can hardly carry them. So with much that you can't. So if you use much that you can't count. For example, water. Can you count the water? No. Can you count, for example, the rice? No. And so on. I have so much homework. So can you count the homework? No. That I can't go out tonight. Such as adjective, noun, then that. It was such a difficult test that none of the students did well. So if you use such, then that, so we used to show the causes or the effects. So you tell me the effect. Ali is such a smart boy that he has the best grades in the school. Then look, what do we have here? Complete the sentences with so or such. So we have here some sentences, and so we will complete it. Diamonds are so hard that you can't break them with a hammer. Sharks have such sensitive. So we use such when we want to talk about, for example, if you want to give example. Okay, if you want to give example, or if you want to explain something. Okay, sharks have such a sensitive hearing. It is such a luxury hotel. Okay, he come into room. So if you want, let's say, give the reason, or if you want, the result. He come into room so quietly that no one heard him. The leather shoes were such, look here, example, such a bargain that she bought 3 pairs. Ahmed was so hungry. So we have here hungry. So this is like, say, we use so here because we want to give result, okay? So hungry that he ate 3 burgers and 2 sides of rice. Complete sentence with so many and so much. So we use so many with something count. For example, box, 1 book, 2 books, 3 books, 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars, and so on. Much with something that you can't count. For example, water. Can you count the water? No. Can you say 1 water, 2 waters? Of course not. For example, the juice. Can you count the juice? Orange juice, for example, 1 orange juice. No. Milk. Can you count the milk? No. Look what do we have. Our neighbors made noise. So can you count the noise? No. So we will say so much. There was traffic. So traffic, like many cars. So can you count? No. The traffic you can't count. So we will say so much. I have books. So can you count the books? Yes. 1 book, 2 books, 3 books, 4 books, and so on. So we will say so many. He spends time. So can you count the time? Of course not. So you'll say so much. There are species of animals. So what does a species of animals mean? It means, for example, the kind of animals. So we will say so many because we have many kinds of animals. Okay, my lovely students, actually we are done. So thank